Hi, this is Petra from Helsing Light, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to cover up a tattoo using Mehron tattoo cover as well as some other products from Mehron. So we love tattoos, but sometimes you just need them to disappear temporarily. It may be a wedding, a photography session, a film shoot, whatever the reason may be. So it's fairly easy to do it with makeup, and I'll show you the steps how to do it in this tutorial. Let's go through the products you need. So the products that we need today is Mehron tattoo cover, which is available as singlets in 4 different shades, all from light to darker, or the palette also Mehron tattoo cover, which I will be working with today. You're gonna need some powder. I'll have Mehron color set powder, a cream-based foundation. I'll be working with cream band stick from Mehron, barrier spray from Mehron also as well, some makeup brushes, a spatula, powder puff, sponges, and also some remover. So this is the products that we're going to need for this tutorial, and let's get into how to do this makeup and covering up a tattoo. So you want to start with a shade that's slightly darker than your skin tone and gradually build it up toward lighter tones. You can go in straight away with a skin matching color, but depending on how dark or bold your tattoo is, layering can give a more natural result. You want to apply it with a brush or a sponge using a gentle patting motion, not stroking. Patting helps build up coverage without smudging or moving the product underneath. Make sure to work on those edges to get them really smooth and blend them out as much as you can. Once you get a good coverage, set the tattoo cover with Mehron color set powder. Use a brush or a powder puff to press the powder into the makeup, then gently dust off any excess. Using a powder locks everything in place and gets you ready for your second layer. So for the second layer, I'm choosing now the lightest color, and I'm gonna apply it in exactly the same way as I did the first layer, using a patting motion, not stroking. So now I'm building up coverage, working toward the lighter tones. And again, once you're happy with the result and the look, you need to set the makeup now with color set powder once more. So gently press the powder into the makeup and dust off any excess to lock everything in place once more. This next step is optional, but for an even more flawless finish and to get the skin color correct, you can apply a cream makeup foundation as a final layer, again using a patting motion, not stroking. And once you're happy with the final layer, you set it up with powder once more. As a final step for long-lasting wear, mist the area with Mehron barrier spray. It seals and protects the makeup, making it water resistant and transfer proof, perfect for hot lights, long days, sweaty conditions. You can also use barrier spray before makeup to create a moisture barrier and help extend the wear time. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorials coming up. Also check out our website helsinglight.com.